Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, August 25th, 2009. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 43 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only and is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at eminijunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning, actually gapped up on, had a little bit of wild overnight action, but we gapped up nonetheless to 1029.25, and that was coming down a little bit off our overnight highs, and that was on the news of Uncle Ben potentially getting his reassignment, or his Obama assignment, if you will, and the market saw that as positive. And as we opened up, we traded down towards the pivot, actually filled our half gap, got a bounce up. Now we actually got a signal to get short, and that did hit target 1, did not make it to target 2, and some of that had to do with the fact that they were bouncing off the pivot in the half gap. But nonetheless, that trade came back through our moving average, gave us a signal to get long as it pulled back towards the open, and that signal did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 11 ticks. And we came up and we traded right up to our Globex high, actually got past that a little bit. Then right at 10 o'clock we had that news announcement, and there was an opportunity to take an expansion news trade, but we didn't have that as part of our trading plan, and that didn't go much anywhere anyway. It just actually turned around, came back down through our moving average, and as it traded below the Globex low, or the Globex high, we actually got a signal to get short, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 10 ticks. Price moved back down towards its pivot, kind of meandered sideways between the pivot and the open price there for a while, and decided to take one more chance above the moving average. And as it pulled back towards that opening price, we got a signal to get long, and that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 12 ticks going into that little lunchtime rally. It was a slow, methodical rally through lunchtime. We don't take any trades during the dead zone between 11:30 and 1:15. But right about 12:30, the market started trading down quite rapidly, actually, and did so all the way into our 1:15 time where we start trading again. Now we had an extension set up, and it was a long extension, but nonetheless, there was a trade set up. There was a signal to get short on that bounce, and then that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 off that extension to the downside for 14 ticks. And then as it hit its profit objective, the market bounced back up towards its moving average. Almost got another opportunity there to the upside, but there was not enough room on that trade. We did, however, create an opportunity for a new trade to the downside, and it was a large swing basis. We got a signal, got our first target off, but it did not have any carry through to the downside as we bounced off the closing price of yesterday and started moving higher at the 3 o'clock time frame. So that last trade was a reduced risk stop out for -2 ticks. So all in all, it was a great trading day. We had 6 trades, 43 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room, come visit us at eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.